PICES Wooster Award is the highest award granted to a PICES scientist. It is named in honor of Professor Warren S. Wooster, founder and first chair of PICES and a world-renowned statesman and climate variability and fisheries production researcher. The award is given annually to an individual who has made significant scientific contributions to North Pacific marine science, such as understanding and predicting the role of human and climate interactions on marine ecosystem production. There have been many illustrious past recipients of the Wooster Award. This year, the person recommended by PICES Science Board and approved by PICES Governing Council as the recipient of the 2022 Wooster Award is Dr. Hal Batchelder, affectionately known as Hal to his PICES colleagues. Hal was born to his parents, Mark, a structural engineer, and Janet, a homemaker, in Glen Cove, New York. Shortly after Hal's birth, they moved to the Boston area, where Hal's brother Mark and sister Anne were born. He spent most of his early years in New England, completing elementary, junior, and senior years in the Boston area. During the summers, Hal's family and grandparents spent lots of time in Hampton Beach, New Hampshire, and hiking on Mount Washington in New Hampshire. It's during these trips that Hal's love of the ocean and forests was sparked. Hal moved to Maine for college in 1973, studying biological sciences. Then, in 1977, Hal moved to the Pacific Coast, to Oregon State University, Newport, and Corvallis, completing his master's degree in oceanography on the population dynamics and structure of intertidal sea anemones under Charlie Miller. Hal successfully juggled his university career and gained additional field experience when Charlie hired Hal and two others to do oceanographic sampling and taxonomic analysis of zooplankton samples collected aboard Canadian ocean weather ships Quadra and Vancouver at Station Papa in the North Pacific. Hal received his PhD from Oregon State University in 1986 under Charlie Miller, using zooplankton samples from the subarctic Pacific. His parents were very proud, with his mother regularly joking about Hal being her son the doctor, but not the kind that would do her any good. Following his PhD, Hal held postdoctoral and marine scientist positions at the University of Rhode Island, with research programs and cruises in the Sargasso Sea and subarctic North Atlantic, before returning to the Pacific Coast to become the first scientific director of the National U.S. Globex Steering Committee office in California. In California, Hal loved spending his spare time hiking in the Sierra Mountains and sailing on San Francisco Bay. It was during Hal's time at Globex that PICES was founded. Following his Globex adventures, Hal joined the faculty of Oregon State University. His distinguished career as professor allowed him to champion and encourage many students and early career ocean professionals, including supervision of 4 PhD students and 3 master's students, as well as serving on numerous graduate student committees. During this time, he also served as deputy director for the NOAA OSU Cooperative Institute for Oceanographic Satellite Studies from 2008 to 2014. In addition to encouraging his OSU students, Hal also worked tirelessly to facilitate early career scientist involvement in international meetings and symposia. He had active roles in planning the PICES Early Career Scientists Conference in Busan in 2017, worked from 2012 to 2021 as a member of the SCORE Capacity Building Committee, and in PICES, he set up the Marine Science Talks at middle schools in Qingdao in 2015. He was a keen supporter of early career scientists and the move to form an expert group dedicated to growing the role of ECOPS within PICES. Hal's long involvement in PICES began with his attendance at PICES 1993 in Seattle, shortly after PICES' inception. He later became involved with many expert groups, including as co-chair of the Climate Change and Carrying Capacity Program, known as 4Cs. He was a member of Science Board for 8 years and U.S. delegate to Governing Council in 2012-2013. Hal was instrumental in planning for and launching PICES' successful Future program and continued to follow and contribute to its progress since its inception. Hal joined PICES as Deputy Executive Secretary in 2014, a role that he filled until his retirement in 2021. During Hal's time at PICES, he filled multiple functions, coordinated expert groups, planned meetings and symposia, and shepherded many PICES publications to completion, including the first North Pacific Ecosystem Status Report, one of PICES' premier contributions to marine ecosystem science. Hal's international work also goes beyond both GLOBEC and PICES, as he has contributed internationally through many workshops, symposia, and has made significant contributions in the process. Throughout his career, Hal has been a passionate and accomplished advocate for international cross-disciplinary marine sciences. And with PICES colleagues, was also a fashion trendsetter. Hal has helped to encourage the next generation of marine scientists, and he also helped to set the stage for the United Nations Decade of Ocean Science for Sustainable Development. Hal's career as an internationally recognized biological oceanographer and ocean ecologist has contributed to advancing our collective understanding of zooplankton ecology, biological physical coupling, and marine ecosystem dynamics. Hal has published over 50 frequently cited journal articles in top-ranked international journals and, on behalf of both GLOBEC and PICES, has significantly contributed to and collaborated with colleagues to produce several overview and synthesis articles that collectively contribute to our understanding of the world's oceans and how best to facilitate our marine science initiatives to forward our understanding. And all the while, Hal took time to enjoy life with colleagues, friends, and family, including kayaking and biking, spending time with Secretariat colleagues, and braving the waters with other fellow PICES swim team members. Hal is happy to have slowed down in his retirement, and he loves spending time with his grandchildren, his fur babies, and his adoring wife, Stephanie. Hal, PICES is proud to award you its highest award, the Wooster Award for 2022. We wish you a very happy retirement. Congratulations! In early September 2022, a group of PICES members and executives traveled to Oregon to present Hal with his Wooster Award. It was the perfect opportunity for close colleagues and conspirators to spend some time with Hal during his retirement and to celebrate his award. Hal was very proud to receive the PICES Wooster Award and thanked all PICES members, saying, "I really enjoyed all my time at PICES, all the interesting people that attended the PICES meetings, and I want to thank you for this award." Congratulations, Hal, on the 2022 Wooster Award. We wish you all the best from everyone at PICES.